The reality is that when it comes to insurance companies, they want you to believe that they have your best interest, when the reality is they don't. They don't. It is simply a risk and money game to them. You're just a number. And to get you to sign a piece of paper for a nominal amount, that ain't because they like you. That's not because they're your buddies. That's why they have slogans, like a good neighbor. Okay, well, why do they have slogans like that? It's to get your trust. You're in good hands. It's the whole point of it is so that you believe what they're telling you, or you trust what they're telling you, unless you have a lawyer. Because if you have a lawyer, that person, he or she, again, can walk you through the process and make sure that you're not taken advantage of.